Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide apps on your iPad mini 7th generation. If you want to hide apps so that you cannot really find them that easily, neither on the home screen nor the app library, then in that case what you can do is pretty much press and hold your finger on the app that you want to hide, and then you will find additional options. And now what you need to do is choose require Touch ID. You might need to set up Touch ID if you don't use it, and then hide and require Touch ID. So now, let's also confirm by using the Touch ID, and then confirm that we want to hide the app. And there we go, now the app is removed from the home screen. We can also go to the app library, and you shouldn't be able to find it over here, even if I search. In that case, YouTube is gone, as you can see. Now, in order to find the hidden app, of course, you have to go to the app library, and then over here you have this category that is called hidden. If you tap over here, you will need to use your Touch ID in order to reveal the content of this category. And there we go, we have our YouTube app. If you want to stop hiding the app, then you can do the same thing. Just press and hold your finger on the app, and then choose don't require Touch ID, confirm with the Touch ID. And there we go, the app should be back, at least in the app library. And you will have to add it back to the home screen if you want to have it there. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!